So let me show you how to do blurry background on Capcut. After you open the Capcut, inside your video to timeline, right click on the video, go to copy, click on this above of the video, right click again and paste. So now you duplicate the video. So now make sure to align the video in center, the first one and the second one. So now hide the first one. After you hide the first one, now click on the second one, go to this video, remove BG, click on this out remove. After it finish out removing, now go ahead and unhide the first one. After you unhide the first one, select the first one, go to this video basic, scroll to down and check on this canvas, click on the arrow and click on this option. Now select blue. So scroll to down and select the option you want to use. For me, I want to use this one. After you select, it will show you has been added. So now click on mask, go up, add mask, rectangle. After you select rectangle, scroll down, click on this reverse. Now take this edge to back, this one. So take edge of the video to back. Now the blue background you have done. If you want to change, select the first video, go to video basic, scroll to down. So under this blue, you can change the blue in this option. And that's it guys on how to have blue background on CapCut. Be sure to like and subscribe for video like this.